In this video, you're gonna learn how to create this nice opening slide for your PowerPoint presentation. And before we jump into the tutorial, please give this video a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Your support is greatly appreciated. And now let's switch over to PowerPoint. I've already created a new blank slide. The first thing that we need to do here is to mark the edges of the slide with the smart guides. For that, put your cursor over one of the existing guides. Hold down the Option key or Alt key if you're on Windows, and pull a copy of the guide to one of the sides. Repeat the same for all 4 sides. Perfect, and now let's create the background. Right-click and select Format Background. In the Format Background pane over on the right-hand side, open up the Color drop-down. Then click on More Colors and enter the hex code for the color you want to use. Next, we'll need to insert a rectangular shape. For that, navigate to the upper menu, click on the Shapes button, and choose the Rectangle tool. Just create a rectangle that looks similar to this one. It doesn't need to have precise dimensions. In the Format Shape pane, remove the outline by setting No Line in the Line section. And then I'm gonna go to the Fill section, open the Color drop-down, click on More Colors, and type the hex code of the color you want to use in your rectangle. Then just rotate the rectangle to about 315 degrees and place it on your slide like this. It should cover about half of the slide. Next, we're going to create a triangular shape. So once again, navigate to the upper menu, click on Shapes, and in the drop-down, select the triangle, draw the shape, and place it in the middle of the slide so that it touches the bottom edge. In the Format Shape pane, I'm gonna remove the outline, and in the Fill section, I'm gonna enter the hex code for this nice light orange color. Let me make my triangle a bit wider. Alright, next we'll need to create a shape with an image. So first, let's draw a rectangle. It should take 100% of the slide's width and about 2/3 of its height. Place it like this on your slide. Let me also remove the line around the shape. And now we need to bring an image into the slide. I'm gonna switch over to the Home tab. And in the upper ribbon, let's click on the Picture button, select Picture from File. Then simply select the image you want to use and click Insert. I'm gonna increase my image so that it covers the rectangle. And I'll click on Send Backwards so I can see both items. Then we'll need to select both the image and the rectangle. Switch to the Shape Format tab. In the upper ribbon over on the left, open up the Merge Shapes menu and select Intersect. And then to give it some dimension, I want to add shadow to my image. So in the Picture Format pane over on the right-hand side, I'll switch to the Effects tab. Then expand the Shadow section. And in here, we'd need to open the Process menu and select the Offset Center option. It's the one in the middle. And now I'm gonna set Transparency to 20% and Blur to 50 points. Alright, we need to add a few more shapes to the slide. I'll select the pink shape under the image, and then holding down my Option key or Alt key for Windows, I'll pull it to the side to create a copy, and I'm gonna place it above the image. Let's edit it a bit. We'll need to add an outline around the shape. In the Format Shape pane, just select Solid Line under the Line section. Let's set its color to white and leave width at 1 point. And now also let's add some shadow to the shape. In the Format Shape pane, switch to the Effects tab. In the Process menu, choose the first option, which is outer bottom right. Then set transparency to 13%, blur to 27 points, and distance to 20 points. Perfect, and now let's add a title to our slide. I'm gonna create a rectangle. Change its size to 2.5 centimeters by 13 centimeters. You probably need to adjust these numbers depending on the length of your title. Let me set its fill color to black and place it at the bottom of the image right here. And then let's create a copy of the shape and place it right below the image. Great, and now I'm gonna grab the text box tool, click outside the slide area, and type the text for the upper part of the title. Then I'm gonna select it, set its color to white, then change font to Playfair Display Regular. You can download this font at Google Fonts. Let's set the text size to 72. And now simply move the text into the upper black rectangle so that it slightly overlaps the image. Then just copy that text box onto the second rectangle, update the text, and place it so that the first character overlaps the image. Perfect, and now we're ready to animate the slide. I'm gonna select the upper pink rectangle and the image, and then in the top menu I'm gonna switch to the Animations tab, and here we'd need to choose the flying option. Then let's change the direction of the animation to from left. In the Start menu, select with Previous, change duration to 1.5 seconds. Then let's open up the Animation pane by clicking this button right here. In the pane, we'd need to expand the Effect Options tab and activate Smooth Start and Bounce End options. Then click on the rectangle's animation, which should be the first item in the animations list. Expand the timing section and set a delay of 0.2. Then select the picture animation and set a delay of 0.5 seconds. This will give us a beautiful effect when the two elements will be entering the slide. And now let's just click on the slideshow button to have a look at the result. Alright, I hope you liked this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss new uploads. And I'll see you in the next video.